Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Harshita and I love to read books. Now, today we are going to dive into a very dark, twisty, and unhinged world of none other than Frida McFadden, my favorite thriller author. So, 2 years ago, I was in a very bad reading slump, and I thought, let's take a book to my workplace and we'll get the chance to, we'll try to read it. And I took it. It was a thriller book. I started that book around 9 a.m. at my workplace when I didn't have much work to do. I started that book at 9 a.m. and finished it by 2 p.m. Like, can you imagine? In one setting, I finished that book because that book was so addictive. So, like, I was so invested in that book that, like, what is going to happen, and I thought that I'm almost going to uncover the truth. Like, I know who is the main culprit here, but no, Frida McFadden was like, no, maybe not so soon. So if you want to read a book that can make you question everyone's sanity, including your own, I suggest you to read these books by Frida McFadden. Literally, they will blow your mind away. So the first book that I read of Frida McFadden, which made me question everything, after which I was like, okay, no, this woman is actually not playing, she's something else. The book was The Locked Door, and this book, like, I was at my workplace when I read this book and I kept staring at the wall for like straight 5 minutes after reading this, like, kya hua ye? So this story follows a respected surgeon, Nora Davis, who had a very dark past. Her father used to be a serial killer, but he's arrested. What happened was that he used to kill women in a very specific way. Now the killings have started. Again, one of her patients has been killed in the same way that her father used to kill. Now she is very confused, like, is someone trying to copy her father in these killings, or is it her father only? Let me read you something from the book. Somebody knows who Nora is. Somebody wants her to take the fall for this unthinkable crime, but she is not a killer like her father. The police can pin anything on her as long as they don't look in her basement. Now, basement is a place where her father used to keep his victims, where his father used to kill those victims. Now, I'm not going to spoil it for you. You should read it and you should find out what happens in this book. It is actually a very good book and it will keep you hooked. So let's move to the next book of Frida McFadden, that is the Housemaid series. Like, this book is also turning into a movie, so it is actually a great book and you should definitely try it. Now, why? Let me tell you why. So let me tell you my reaction first. When I read this book, I was left speechless. I was left numb. I thought I have figured out everything. Then the plot twist came and it really felt like a slap. It actually felt like a slap. Like, this author has the capability of making you think that you are right all along, but then she will come, no, maybe you are not. You are thinking it all wrong. I wanted you to think that you are right, but you are not right. So this book follows Millie, a girl who is desperate, who is helpless, who is trying to get a job, and he finally gets hired by someone as a live-in maid. Now she gets hired in a house which is like a perfect family, perfect house, rich and everything. But she soon discovers that the family which is looking picture perfect is actually not perfect and it has its own secret. The wife who hired her is actually a mess, and the husband, she got a crush on him. But something happens later which actually disturbs her and whole plot. Like, everything goes blank and you will stare at the wall like this. So this book is unhinged and I mean it in the best way. This is a wild ride and you should once try it. Like, you need to read this book if you want to know what actual thriller books sound like. So the next book of Frida McFadden that I love is Never Lie. So this book is a claustrophobic nightmare in the best way possible. It will give you creeps and chills, but in a best way. So this story follows a couple who went on a house hunting, but they get stuck in a remote mansion due to snowstorm. Soon they realizes that the mansion they are stuck in belongs to a renowned psychiatrist who vanished without a trace. The wife, Tricia, discovers few tapes, few cassettes of the recordings which the psychiatrist used to record of her patient. And as she listens to those cassettes, she discovers the truth we shouldn't. And the moment will come when you will realize that you have been reading the wrong story this whole time. This book will actually give you creeps. It has tight plot. This environment is very disturbing. Like everything in the book is disturbing, and you will question your sanity after reading this book. So I will literally suggest you to go through this book once. If you want to start reading Frida McFadden's book, I would suggest you to either start with The Housemaid or Neverland. But if you are someone who already have read her books, tell me in the comments which is your favorite book so I can scream with the people. I need to scream about these. I need to talk about these books. So if you like the video, hit this like button and subscribe button for more thrilling chaos. And remember, one fair warning for the readers who are going to start these books: question everything, trust no one, and don't assume that you know the ending, because you actually don't. Till then, see you next time. Happy reading and thank you for watching.